how to change your delivery address on Amazon app. Hey everybody, if you'd also like to do, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So first of all, let's head over and open up the Amazon shopping application on your screen. And once you open it up, once you log in into your account, you should be finding this interface right here. So one of the easiest way you can change the delivery address is right below the search bar, you'll be finding deliver to the particular location that you've added currently. So if you'd like to change, you can tap on it, and when you tap on it, you'll be finding different methods available, or it will directly give you option to choose your location. So you can basically enter up your zip code of your particular location, or you can directly head over the map and pin your location. Or if you're shipping outside the US, you can tap on shipping outside of the US and then follow the steps in order to change your address. Apart from that, if you'd like to follow another method in order to do so, you may head over the account, tap on it, and once you tap on it, go to order section. And while you are in the order section, you can just go over and select view order details once you tap on the specific order, and then find the current delivery address section. After that, click change button next to the address, and you can just go ahead and update your delivery location that way. Or at the very last option we have, once you're in the account tab, you can scroll down from the given options, look out for your account option, tap on it, and then open up all of the options available. After that, you may scroll down and you'll be finding option of account settings. Tap on your address from the given options in account setting, find it up, and there you'll be finding section where you can add a new address and add a new pickup location. Just go ahead and provide them with the details and follow the on-screen instructions to save the changes, and then review the updated information and confirm the changes. In that way, your delivery address should be changed on Amazon. Some cancellation or change options may be available on the texted version of the website, especially for the orders in the shipping process, but you just need to head over and follow up this process if you'd like to change your delivery address. So that is it. If you'd also like to do the same, you may just head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.